Morning all of you. Today we can start the next lesson, factors and multiples. Okay. So first is factors. What is mean by factors? I will explain this through one example. Okay. So we know 3 into 4 is equal to 12. That's a multiplication fact. Then another multiplication fact we can say anything 8 into 9. 8 into 9 is equal to 72. We know different multiplication facts we know, and division facts also we know. Okay. So for this 3 into 4 is equal to 12, what will be the division fact? 2 division fact we can make from this. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3, and another one 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Just like 72 divided by 9, answer will be 8, and 72 divided by 8, answer will be 9. So now here we are writing some multiplication facts. 3 into 10, all of we know that is 30. Now from this we will say we already discussed the multiplication answer is called what? Product. Okay, so here the product of 3 and 4 is 12. That all of us know. Okay, product of 3 and 4 is 12. Product of 8 and 9 is 72. Product of 3 and 10 is 30. So when we say it's reverse, okay, so here we can say we got the product as 12. So in its reverse we can tell the factors of 12 are 3 and 4. Okay, factors of 12. Factors of 12 is equal to, one factor is 3 and 4. Another factor is also there. From this multiplication factor we can tell the factors of 12 is equal to 3 and 4. And here we can tell the factors of 72 are 8 and 9. And factors of 30 we can say 3 and 10. So actually what is mean by how we can define factors? Okay. So here we are finding, here we have two pairs of numbers that gives 12 as the product. In the first case here we have two pairs of pairs of numbers which gives the product as 12. So then we can say that numbers are the factors of that number 12. Okay, so if we have another example, now here also we got the product 72, and when we multiply which numbers, okay, which numbers, that is 8 and 9, we got the product as 72. So we can say 8 and 9 are the factors of 72. Here also, here one pairs of numbers, that is 3 and 10. Then when we multiply that numbers, we got 30. So we can say 30, the factors of 30 are 3 and 10. Now we can find out some other factors also. When we multiply any other number, when we multiply any other pairs of number, we got the product as 30. Yeah, same. We know 1 into 30 also what? Same number 30. Okay, so what we can say here, 1 and 30 are also the factors of 30. Okay, now any other pairs can you find out to get the product 30? Any other pairs can you find out? One pair we got 3 and 10. So 3 and 10 are the factors of 30. Now another pair we got 1 into 30. 1 into 30 its answer also 30. So 1 and 30 are also factors of 30. Can you find out any other numbers, other pairs? That means any other two numbers to get their product as 30. We know 2 into 15 is what? Its answer also 30. So what we can say? 2 and 15 are also the factors of 30. So totally how many any other pairs can you find out to get the product as 30? No, only this much. So what we can say? The numbers from the smallest we can arrange in ascending order. Which is the smallest number out of these pairs? 1. Next 2. Then 3. Then 10. 15, 30. These are the factors of 30. So how we find out that factors? We just to find out one pair of numbers whose product will get 30. then we will get the factors of 30. So that different example we will get. Now in the case of 3 into 4, now we discussed factors of 12, how we can find out. Factors of 12. One pair we got, 3 into 4 we got 12. Okay, so that we can write here 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So here 3 and 4 are factors of 12. Any other pairs can you find out to get 12 as the product? We will get any number when we multiply with 1, we will get the same answer. So that we can write 1 into 12, that also 12. Then any other pairs to get the answer 12? 2 into 6 also 12. So this much pairs, this much numbers we got. So here the factors of 12 we can write from the smallest to biggest, that is ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Okay, so these are the factors of 12. In the same way we can find out any numbers to get the product factors of 12 by using this method. Now I am writing another numbers. How we can find out? If you want to find out the factors of 24, find the factors of 24. So first we can start from 1. When we multiply 1 with any number, we will get the same answer. So we are writing the multiplication facts, that is the pairs of numbers to get the product 24. So 1 into 24 is 24. Now another pair 2 into 12 is that also 24. 2 into 12 is 24. Then 3 into, when we know, if you know the multiplication table well, then we can answer very easily. Okay. So 3 into 8. 3 into 8 is 24. Then 4 into 6, 24. So here we got 4 multiplication facts. Okay, different 4 pairs we got. So what are the factors of 24? Factors of 24 equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. These much factors are there. Now this we can express as a multiplication families. Okay, so the same concept that we can represent as multiplication stories. Okay, multiplication stories. So how we can draw the multiplication story of 24? So we just write 24 here like that, and each pairs we write using these lines, this type of lines. So in the first line you can represent the first pair 1, 24, which are the factors 1, 24. Then in the next 2, 12, another multiplication story. Then here 3, 8. Then here we can write 4, 6. Representing factors like this, it is called the multiplication stories of that number. Now another number you look, 36, or we can write 40. Okay, what are the factors of 40? So if we want to write the multiplication stories, we think about the pairs whose product will be 40. So first we can start from 1. 1 into 40 will be 40. So 1 and 40 are the factors of 40. Now another one, 2 into 20. 2 into 20 also 40. Then any other, 5 into 8. So 8 into 5 or 5 and 8. 5 into 8 or 8 into 5 also 40. Then 4 into 10. Okay, so 4, 10 are the factors. Any other factors remains here to get the product 40? No, this much factors only. So this is the multiplication story of 40. And if the question is write the factors of 40, we can write first by writing the pairs. Write this 1 into 40 equal 40, and 2 into 20 equal 40. Then 5 into 8 also 40. 4 into 10 also 40. Okay, that is not must, we can arrange in any way. Now I just write here 4 first, then 5, no problem. So here the factors we can write 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, 40. These are the factors of 40, and this is the multiplication story for the number 40. Okay, thank you.